Do it, no problem. Do it slowly but correctly. Right. The value of b and c, if the division of x square plus bx plus c by x minus 1 leaves a remainder 0, and when divided by x plus 2 leaves a remainder 12, then we need the values of b and c. Don't hurry, do it slowly and then respond. Okay, Arnav says it's none of these cases. Let's wait for one more answer, then I'll solve. So Arnav, what are the values of your b and c, which you got?
1, B is 1 and C is minus 2.
B is 1 and C is minus 2. Okay. So what are the two conditions he gave? I got f of x. Okay. Let's consider the polynomial as f of x. He says leaves a remainder 0 when divided by x minus 1. That means when will be x minus 1 0? X equal to 1. So first condition says f of 1 is 0. Second condition says x plus 2 is 0. That means x is minus 2. When I divided with x plus 2, the remainder is f of minus 2, which is 12. Now I have to use this condition and this condition to get b and c values. So what is f of 1 equal to 0? 1 plus b into 1 plus c is 0. That gives me b plus c plus 1 equal to 0. Let's treat it for a few minutes. 1. What is f of minus 2? Minus 2 square plus b into minus 2 plus c should be equal to 12. That's 4 minus 2b plus c equal to 12. Just to make it uniform, I am writing minus 2 plus c minus 8 equal to 0. That is second. Now I need b and c values. One thing I can closely observe is both the terms have plus. It's easy to eliminate c term. So what I'll do, I'll subtract second equation from first equation. B minus of minus 2b, that is plus 2b, 3b, plus c minus c cancels out. 1 minus of minus 8 plus 9 equal to 0. So I got 3b equal to minus 9, or b is minus 3. Let's take this b value and come back to any one of these equations. It's nearby, so I'll come here. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus c minus 8 is 0. That is 6 plus c minus 8 is 0. Or c minus 2 is 0, or I have c equal to 2. Let us check, do we have anything which satisfies? B is minus 3 and c is 2, which is present at option B. Arnav?
Yes, sir.
Right. Careful with solving linear equations. Careful while solving, more than one variable.
Yes.
That's why I suggest don't copy from the board. Try to do the calculation many times, one time, two times, maybe again after day, one more day you sit and try to solve the problem by yourself at leisure. Calculation should be more thorough, accurate, quick. One last problem. The quadratic polynomial in x which divided by x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 leaves remainders not remaining of, reminders. (11, 12, and 37). Try it quick. So I don't know the polynomial. For a few minutes, I'll assume that to be quadratic. So that means it should be second degree term, first degree term, and a constant. Ax square, bx, c. I need to find a, b, and c values. But he has given us certain conditions. When I divided with x minus 1, remainder is 11. That means p of 1 should be equal to 11. Then he says when I divided with 2, x minus 2, the remainder is 12. That means p of 2 is 12. And then when divided by x minus 3, that is remainder p of 3 is 37. These three equations should help us to get the value of a, b, and c. Let us see how they help us. What is p of 1? A into 1 square, b into 1, plus c should be 1. That means a plus b plus c is 1. That is my first equation. Three unknowns are there. P of 2, a times 2 square, b times 2, plus c is 12. That is 4a plus 2b plus c equal to 12. My goodness, this is also having all three unknowns. P of 3, it gets more complicated. A times 3 square plus b times 3 plus c is 37. That gives me 9a plus 3b plus c equal to 37. Now why I took the problem is, the moment we see three unknowns, the problem gets more and more complicated. Don't look at it from that perspective. See all the three equations. If you observe, first equation has plus c, second equation has plus c, third equation also has a plus c. C term is common in all of them. So your first aim should be eliminate c. For that, what I will do is, I'll show you the difference with a different color. It will be clear then. This equation, this equation, this equation, all the three terms are same. So I'll subtract 2 minus 1. Tell me what do you get? 4a minus a, 3a. 2b minus b, b, plus c minus c cancels, equal to 12 minus 1, 11. Now this is my time being fourth equation. Again do the same thing for 3 minus 2, and you observe next line you can identify. What is 3
P at
minus
1
2?
equals to 11, sir, not 1.
Oh, this is equal to 11, huh? Correct, sorry. So what is the subtraction? 12 minus 11, this will be 1. Correct. So what will be 3 minus 2? 9a minus 4a.
11 and 11 will get cancelled.
Which 11 will cancel?
Sir, I mean 12 by 11 will get cancelled, so 1.
Yeah, that's what. This is 1. 3a plus b is 1.
Okay, sir.
So when I subtract 3 minus 2, again the c terms are same. That's why I'm subtracting. 9a minus 4a should be 5a plus 3b minus 2b plus b equal to 37 minus 12, 25. Now you observe fourth and fifth equations. No more c term. Only a and b are left. And if you closely observe fourth and fifth equations, both have the same b term. This is also plus b. This is also plus b. So again, can I follow the same logic and subtract fourth equation from fifth equation? 5a minus 3a, 2a, plus b minus b cancels. 25 minus 1, 24. At least I got a value comfortably. A is 12. Take this a value and go to any of these equations. Right, 5 into a, 60, plus b equal to 25. That gives me b equal to 25 minus 35. Sorry, 25 minus 60 minus 35. I got B value also. From this A value and B value, I need to calculate C value. Come back to the first equation. A 12, B minus 35 plus C should be equal to 11. 12 minus 35 minus 23 plus C equal to 11. So that gives me C equal to 11 plus 23, that is 34. So what is exactly my equation? A 12x square, B minus 35x, C plus 34 should be the polynomial. So which option it is satisfying?
None of the above.
None of these above. And what is the correct polynomial? 12x square minus 35x plus 34. Do the simplification by yourself, don't copy. I think Bhumika substituted x equal to 1 and cross-checked. The first one is giving 11. So she marked 11. I mean option is C. But it is not satisfying the second case. Check it up. When you put x equal to 2, Bhumika, it is 2 times 2 square, that is 8. Plus 5 times 2, 10, 18. Plus 4, it's coming 22. But how much I need is 12. 37 is also satisfying. Third condition is also satisfying. If instead of 12 in the question, if I would have given 22, option would have been C. So I can assume there is a typographical error. Are now completed?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had done before you.
Yeah. Bhumika done? Right. One last concept of factor theorem is remaining. Once we done that small theory part, factor theorem, we'll do combined problems on zeros of a polynomial, remainder theorem and factor theorem put together. So next session will be mostly first 5 to 10 minutes it will be theory, followed by continuous problems only.